Well, time to fix a mistake. Just a few minutes ago, as I was about ready to remount all of these holes, the paint that had gotten inside, I dropped the reamer and it put a good nick right there. That means I get to sand this down, and it's probably going to take, well, I don't know how many coats it's going to take to build this back up. Looks like I've also got a nick and some marks up here. So as nice as that finish was, it's back. Use good tape. Frog tape is about the best for keeping bleed through to a minimum. So I guess I'll show you how I put this all together. First thing, most important part to get mask off is this line right there. Now everything else is easy. Now this edge is again, there's the nick. And I want this guitar to be absolutely perfect. There's no way I would even attempt to dab that with a brush. Actually, I might do that just to see if I can fill the hole before sanding, but it's going to take another spray coat over the top.